morning, children. Our topic is early humans. Early humans were very different from modern humans. It is believed that early humans were very different from modern humans. It is believed that early humans lived in jungles. They spent most of their time looking for food. They did not know cooking or farming. They ate fruits and roots of plants and raw meat of the animals by hunting them with stones. Their food habits, clothes, and tools were all crude. Shelter and clothing. Early humans stayed in natural caves and under large trees to protect themselves from heat of the sun, rain, and cold. They covered themselves with the leaves and barks of trees and skin of animals. Tools. The, the, the lives of early humans were not so easy. They used their bare hands to dig up roots and hunt small animals. However, they could not hunt large animals. Gradually, they searched for stones with sharp edges and used these for digging and hunting animals. They made tools from animal bones and horns. They also used sharp wooden sticks as tools. Early humans learned to tie a sharp stone to a wooden stick and used it like a spear to hunt wild animals without going close to them. Discovery of fire. At first, early humans were afraid of fire. They must have seen natural fires breaking out in jungles. Gradually, they realized that fire helped to keep away wild animals and cold. They also discovered that fire made the flesh of wild animals tastier and easier to eat. They could keep the fire burning by adding dry leaves and twigs to it. The discovery of fire is said to have changed the life of the human race. The beginning of farming, being able to grow their own food, was perhaps the biggest achievement of early humans. They soon observed that whenever they threw the seeds in the soil, new plants grew from them. They noticed that when these plants become big, fruits grow on them. Thus, early humans has discovered farming and no longer to roam around in search of food. They could now settle down in one place. Settling in villages. Early humans started settling down in small villages near rivers. They learned that plants needed water and fertile soil to grow well. Taming of animals. After settling down in villages, early humans started taming animals. The dog was perhaps the first animal tamed by them. Later, they domesticated sheep, cows, goat, horses, donkeys, and bullocks. They used these animals for plowing their farmlands and getting milk and meat. Dogs were mostly used for hunting and guarding homes and fields at night. Transportation. Traveling on land was very difficult. Early humans traveled long distance along with heavy loads on foot. They used tamed animals for carrying loads. This made the work of transportation loads a little easier. According to experts, early humans must have noticed logs of wood floating in water. An idea must have struck. A number of straight logs were tied together to make a raft. This helped them to travel and to also transport heavy loads across rivers. But traveling and transporting heavy loads by land was still difficult and slow. At first, they made crafts called sledges, which could be pushed or pulled along the ground. They also used animals to pull the sledges, but sledges could move only on smooth grounds. Invention of wheel. Sometimes later, early humans must have seen round blocks of wood rolling down a hill. They realized that round things could move easily on land. They therefore fitted small pieces of tree trunks below the crafts. Such carts could now move easily on even ground. Thus, the wheel was invented and land travel became faster and easier. Besides improvement in transportation, the wheel was also used for making pots with clay. No wonder the invention of wheel is considered to be an important event in the history of human beings. This is about the reading part. So, coming to the lesson, early humans, what are the different? So, our topic is continuity and change, theme 5, continuity and change, and week 1, and topic is early humans. Now, let us see. Early humans were very different from modern humans. We are all modern human beings. Okay, we are very lucky that we are modern humans. See, early human how is? So, the lifestyle, the way of living, their food habits, everything was different for the early humans. It is believed that early humans lived in jungles. They spent most of their time looking for food. See, why jungles? Because they don't know what is, actually, they don't know what are villages, nothing, they don't know anything. Their life started in the forest itself. So, most of the time they lived in jungles only. And most of the time they spend only to collect food. Food means here not pizzas, burgers, and all. They only hunt the animals. Okay, they used to hunt the animals, collect food means roots of plants, fruits, wild fruits, whatever they get the fruits on the tree tops. And if they don't get that fruits and roots, they go for hunting. Okay, hunting the animals. This was the only work they had. Early man used to live in jungles, spend most of the time in hunting and gathering food. This is the lifestyle. They did not know cooking and farming. They ate fruits and roots of plants and raw meat of animals by hunting them with stones. See how they are hunting the animal? The big animals also they used to kill. Big animals means like elephants, giraffes, zebras. Okay, big animals. They used to kill that animals with their bare hands. Bare hands means without anything in their hands. So slowly they developed the tools also. So they took the stones, sharp stones, and they used to kill the animals. So they did not know cooking and farming. They don't know to cook. They don't know farming, cultivation of land, nothing. Only thing is they used to collect the fruits, wild fruits, roots of plants. Otherwise, go for hunting. That's all. And after finishing hunting, they used to eat raw meat. Raw meat means no, direct meat, raw, not cooked, raw meat. The food habits, clothes, and tools were all crude. What do you mean by crude? Crude means very hard. Cruel, we call, no? How cruel he is? Huh? How sadist he is, we'll say, no. Crude means hard, very hard. Their food habits, clothes were all crude. Means, food habits means what? They used to eat raw meat, direct meat. Clothes, no clothes. They cover their body with leaves or skin of animals, and sometimes even that also not there, uncovered. Okay, and they're very crude. That's why they are called as crude people. Okay, hard people, crude people. Food habits was not good. Clothes was not good. Tools like stones they used to use, and sorry. Shelter and clothing. Early humans stayed in natural caves. See, shelter. What do you mean by shelter? Shelter gives us protection. We people have different shelters. Yes or no? We are living in houses, bungalows, villas, apartments. Everyone is having own house or other rented house, but we are living in good, good shelters. Yes, houses, uh, bungalows, apartments, villas, we are living. But early man don't have a shelter. permanent shelter. He used to live in natural caves, otherwise under large trees, to protect themselves from heat of sun, rain and cold. Whenever it rains, they go and take shelter in caves. Whenever it is not raining or whenever it is sunny, go and take shelter under big trees. Why big trees? To cover the sun, shade. So they covered themselves with the barks of the trees and skin of animals. They used to cover their body with leaves, barks of trees, and skin of animals, like this. This is the lifestyle of early man. Cover the body with leaves or skin of animals, and they used to live under big trees and in caves also. This is the sheltering and clothing of early man. Tools. Okay, the lives of early man were not was not so easy. What type of tools they used to use? Starting, they used only their bare hands. Bare hands means empty hands, without any tool in their hand. But slowly they developed those tools with the help of stones. They used to dig the roots and hunt small animals with their hands. But gradually, when they need to hunt a big animal, they need to have some tools. So, however, they could not hunt large animals. Small animals means they can hunt. Now, where they will go for large animals? So, they search for stones with sharp edges and use these to dig the roots and for hunting animals also. So, these are the different types of tools they use. See the tools of early man? They are tied to the wooden sticks, sharp stones. They are all sharp stones, and their tools were made up of bones of animals bones also. See here, they made tools from animal bones and horns. They also use sharp wooden sticks as tools. Early humans learned to tie a sharp stone to a wooden stick and used it like a spear to hunt wild animals without going close to them. So without going close to them, they now started hunting the animals, and they used wooden sticks with sharp edges and sharp stones. Okay, like this. See the stones, how they are? These are all different tools used by animals. Sorry, early man. And even he prepared tools from animal bones also. Big animal bones will be there, no, big bones. So that bones he used to make as a tool, sharp bones. And large horns also. You know horns? Horns also. So with these horns and bones, he made the tools. This is about the tools. Now coming to the discovery of fire. So fire, at first early humans was afraid of fire. So when they went and touched the fire, they came to know that it is burning. Then they kept away from the fire. But slowly, they came to know that fire is very important. Now, how did they saw this fire? Natural fire burns occurring in jungles. Natural fire burns means what? So during summer season, when the climate is very hot, sometimes what happen, fires burns automatically, the forest will burn. Or sometimes during heavy rain, when thunders, lightning, storms will come, no, so we can see the thunders and lightnings in the sky. So due to that thunders and lightnings also, fire occurs in the forest. So they have seen these natural fires in the forest. First they were very afraid, but slowly they realized that fire helped them to keep away wild animals and to keep away cold also. Okay, whenever they feel cold, they used to take this fire. They also discovered that fire made the flesh of wild animals tastier and easier to eat. See, once the fire has burned in the forest, what happened? Animals also will die, no, in that forest. So they came to know that, okay, now this fire, when we burn animals in the fire, the flesh of the animals will become tasty, cooked. Now it is cooked food, no, fire burning food. Now they came to know, okay, from now onwards, we should fire or we should cook the food like this. keep the raw meat in the fire and eat, not the raw flesh now. Now they used to cook it and eat. Now they could keep the fire burning by adding dry leaves and twigs to it. I think this every one of you know. Whenever we want fire, what we will do outside of our house, we will collect some dry leaves and put small fire and stand around that fire so that we will get heat. So during winter season, we do these all things. And during festivals also. Now Sankranti is coming. So during Sankranti, what we will do? We will put all the old wooden things in one place and we will burn fire and we will make rounds around it. Okay? Bogi. We play bogi, no, during this Sankranti festival. So same like this early man also, what he did, whenever he want fire, he go on adding dried leaves and twigs so that the fire keeps burning. So the discovery of fire made them life very possible, easy. Is said to have a change to have their very cooked food. It make easy for them to eat the food, cooked food. So from then onwards, so whenever they have invented the fire, from then onwards, they started eating the cooked food. Cooked means here directly not eating the raw meat, but kept that raw meat in the fire and ate. Okay, so till now you have seen shelter and clothing. Okay, early man shelter and clothing. Shelter means they used to stay in natural caves and under large trees to protect themselves from sun, rain, and cold. And clothing, they cover their body with leaves, barks of trees, and skin of animals. And tools, they use different tools to hunt the animals, and these tools are made up of, okay, stones, animal bones, and horns of animals. Then coming to discovery of fire, early man has seen the natural fires burning in the jungle, and they came to know that fire makes possible, the fire helps to keep away the animals and cold away. So big animals also not used to come to near to them by seeing this fire. So they came to know that fire helped them, and they've gone adding dry leaves. And the discovery of fire is said to have changed the lifestyle of early human.